Hello, this is Barb from the Inner Sanctuary. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk about why the CSF is important and what it has to do with yoga. We'll end with 3 simple exercises with movement and breath to affect the CSF flow. CSF is a clear, colorless liquid. It's 99% water and therefore has the possibility of transmitting information. It's produced in the hollow ventricles of the brain, deep inside the brain, and it travels down through a hollow tube deep within the spine and goes all the way to the tailbone. Even though the spinal column stops, there's nerve fibers that go all the way down, and the spinal fluid flows all the way down to the tailbone. And research has also shown that in deep states of relaxation, the CSF can actually pulsate through the membranes of the brain. So it doesn't only stay in those hollow spaces in the brain and the subarachnoid space around the brain and the spinal column. When you're in a very relaxed state, it can pulsate through the membranes of the brain. The third ventricle is responsible for most of the creation and secretion of the CSF. And the third ventricle is surrounded in the front by the pituitary gland, in the back, the pineal gland, and the thalamus and the hypothalamus on either side. So the main production place for CSF is in contact with all these different important glands and parts of the brain. So another interesting thing is the receptor cells that lie along the ventricles carry light, which is photoreceptors, movement and vibration, which is mechanoreceptors, growth factors, ions, hormones, which are chemoreceptors. And these receptors also clear away metabolic waste. So research has shown that Alzheimer's is possibly helped by clearing waste from the brain, which can be done through the CSF, as the CSF is part of the lymphatic system. And your CSF fluid is constantly being produced, and it's turned over 4 to 5 times a day. So you can see how important it is to get that CSF moving and flowing, and we do that through breath and through movement. And I'll share those 3 exercises with you today. They're very simple exercises. You can do them 1 minute to 3 minutes, even work up to more if you'd like to. But even 1 to 3 minutes of each of these exercises can get the movement and the pulsations, the oscillations of the CSF moving. So let's get started. As always, find a place where you won't be disturbed. The first exercise is called spinal flex. So you'll be arching your back and then rounding your back. And what this does is it creates the movement in the spine that kind of uses it's kind of like a hydraulic lift to get things pumping and moving. So you can rest your hands on your knees. And as you inhale, you'll arch your back and your chest naturally raises. You'll want to keep the head level. So it looks like this. Inhale, exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch the back and raise the chest. Exhale, round the back. So it does not look like this. You're not moving the head. You keep the head level. Inhale, arch the back, the chest naturally raises. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, exhale. You can go as slow as you want, or if you're able to go faster, feel free to go faster. The shoulders stay over the hips, so it's not moving forward and backward like this. Inhale, chest rises, back arches. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, exhale. And we'll do this for 3 minutes. So begin. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward and exhale back. And go at your own pace. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward and exhale back. Not forcing anything, just moving with the breath. Inhale and exhale, relax. The next exercise is just twisting motion. So you can either rest your elbows by your sides and your arms are at 90 degrees with the palms facing down. Inhale to the left, exhale to the right. Or if you prefer, you can put your hands on your shoulders, the fingers in the front, thumbs in the back. Inhale to the left, exhale right, whichever you feel more comfortable with. And we'll also do this for 3 minutes. And begin. Inhale left, exhale right. And continue. Inhale left, exhale right. Notice if your elbows have dropped, you want to make sure that your arms are parallel to the ground. In other words, they're not dropping down. Keep them up in line with the shoulders. Inhale to center and exhale, relax. The third and final exercise is called Sat Kriya. You'll interlace your fingers. The pointer fingers stay straight up. If you can, raise your arms straight up above your head. And when you say Sat, you'll pull the navel in. Sat. And then on Nam, release it. Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam. So this also works as a hydraulic pump. You're pressing in the navel, pulling in the navel, like it's like hitting that spinal fluid, and then Nam, release it and moves up. So that's what you can imagine. Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam. So we'll also do this for 3 minutes. You might need a break. If any time you need to take a break, just be kind to yourself and take a break. So we'll do this for 3 minutes. Interlace the fingers, pointer finger is pointed up, raise it up above the head, and begin. Sat, Nam, 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 Sat, Nam. Keep reaching up. Just a few more seconds. Inhale, suspend the breath slightly. Imagine energy coming from the tailbone all the way up to the top of the head. and exhale, release. Now it's important after exercises like this to lie on your back and relax for several minutes, 5 minutes at least, because time spent on your back increases the CSF exchange, which is beneficial in removing the waste from our system. So take your time, enjoy the relaxation, and I will see you next time.